Hi guys, welcome on my channel. Today I will show you how I use my e-file machine, and I will do a quick removal of those nails. They are not great, like they have been infilled. They are my natural nails, and that's why you can see they are painted underneath as well, just to hide the natural nail. Also, my natural nails, especially these ones, they start to grow down after they reach a certain point. So normally I try to lift them up so they don't go as much down, but it is a time to take them off and just sculpt a fresh set. So for a removal I will be using this amazing bead as a safety bead. You can also get one from myself as well. They're amazing, they last you like such a long time. But the machine I'm using is a portable drill, K38, and it runs really nice and smooth. I just had the brushes look placed in my handpiece. I just set up the machine and then I can show you quick removal. It's definitely going to be a very messy job. Especially that I didn't bring the dust extractor in here. I really like this bead because it takes the product really well. Okay, now I can shorten them. Filing on yourself is not an easy job, that's why I have to turn my nail just to make it a bit comfier. When working on the clients, make sure you jump from one nail to another just to don't produce too much heat. Also, if you see, I'm supporting it from the bottom as well. The joys of working without a fan. You can see how much dust it comes off. Oh my gosh, that's that looks so weird. I like to clean my drill machine really nice and clean, just so it lasts me ages. Oh my gosh, my nail's going so short. I definitely need to sit and do something on them today. You will be also able to see the condition of my natural nails after wearing the extension for so many years. Okay, I just binned that. We don't need this amount of the dust in here. And I can still use my bit to remove a little bit more product, and then I will swap to the hand file. Now the speed I'm working on is much lower now, just because we are getting very close to the natural nail, and the natural nail is a priority for me. We want to keep it nice and healthy. So you can see there was, the nails didn't look too thick, but there was quite a decent amount of the product. Because I'm working on myself, I'm going to change the setting of the drills, so it is easier to catch this side. Okay, and now I can swap into the hand file. So I remove the dust one more time. As you can see, one of the nail lifted. I have banged really strong with it. That's the glitter from underneath. I think it looks really nice. Like I will definitely do the video how to paint them underneath as well for you. Using 100 grit, I'm going to remove the biggest bulk of the product. Not much more left in there. And then I can swap to grid number 100. By changing the grids of the files, you make sure you don't damage the natural nail. You can also see that they are not bendy, they are nice and strong, healthy. I don't do the removal often, it's usually maybe 2 to 3 times a year. I kind of carry on the rebalance until basically I've got just my own natural nails underneath. Using a buffer, I'm going to smooth out the surface of the nail. And this one is totally freedom. So this is how the nails should look after the removal. We can't remove too much, too strong, because this way you will cause the damage to the natural nail plate. And if we use different gradation of the files from the strongest to the lightest, this way you don't damage the natural nail plate. The hard gel cannot be soaked off, and the only way to remove it properly is to file it away, and that's what we have done in this video. If you've got any questions regarding the nail health or the processing of the removal, you can just write it down below those comments and I will answer them for you. After the removal, we can get rid of any remaining dust and then just gently clean the nails. So you can see how nice and healthy they are. There is no redness, they are really nice and strong, they are not bendy, and I can even let you hear how strong they are. Thanks for watching. Bye.